Now, we don't always encounter lines in the slope-intercept form. We might, for example, want to graph the equation 2x plus 3y equals 6. This isn't in slope-intercept form, so we need another way of getting 2 points on this line. The way that we're going to get 2 points on this line is by finding the x and y-intercepts. Let's take a minute to recall what those are. The x-intercept is a point where the graph crosses the x-axis. And of course, just looking at the picture, we see that that's here where y equals 0. Similarly, the y-intercept is a point where a graph crosses the y-axis. And again, thinking about what that looks like, those are the points where x is 0. Okay. So how are we going to find the intercepts here, then? Well, the x-intercept is where y equals 0. So let's let y equal 0. Plugging that in, we get 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 6. 3 times 0 is just 0. So we've got 2x equals 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 3. Where y equals 0, x equals 3, our x-intercept will be the point 3, 0. X is 3, y is 0. That's this point. Where's the y-intercept? Well, that's where x is 0. This is going to give us a second different point. When I plug that in, I get 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 6. Again, 2 times 0 is 0. I have 3y equals 6. Divide both sides by 3. I get y equals 2. So that gives me the point where x is 0 and y is 2 for my y-intercept. 0, 2. That's it. There are my 2 points on the line. So now I just take my ruler, set it down, and I can draw my line. Now, as long as the arithmetic works out nicely, I think that this is the easiest way to graph a line that's given in this form. I'm going to have you try one of these as well. Graph the line 4x minus 3y equals negative 12. Pause the video and try this now. Okay, well again, we're going to find the intercepts. We're going to start with the x-intercept, so let y be 0. Then we get 4x minus 3 times 0 equals negative 12. Again, 3 times 0 is 0. So this is just 4x equals negative 12. Dividing both sides by 4, we get x is negative 3. This will be the point x is negative 3, y is 0. X is negative 3, y is 0. And now let's find the y-intercept by letting x be 0. Plugging that in, we'll get 4 times 0 minus 3y is negative 12. So that's just negative 3y is negative 12. Dividing both sides by negative 3, we get y equals 4. So this is the point x is 0, y is 4. Here we go. And that's 2 points. That's all we need to graph a line. Take our ruler and draw.